Welcome to Wawazen Waterwall School. Building water walls and waterwall business. We are the worldwide #1 waterwall school. The best online portal for waterwall and fountain constructors. We help entrepreneurs being successful with waterwalls and water features. Save up to $1,000, or start your own business by building waterwalls on your own, even if you don't have a workshop. Open new streams of revenue, and enjoy this relaxing business together with us, in the Wawazen Business Partnership. Learn all you need to know to build secure and reliable water walls and thread fountains. Get the best support ever for your waterwall project. Get installing glass water walls to the highest possible standard, with the help of our mastery course. Learn how to be successful with indoor waterfalls. Book an individual consultation and planning for your project.